A wise man once performed the container and water experiment. What he did was he filled an empty container with water till it got to like its mid level. Then he called several people to take a look at the container with the water in it and describe what they saw. A very simple task, right? Well, after the whole exercise, he was able to categorize their responses into two categories. The first group consisted of people that said the container was half filled, while the second group consisted of people that said the container was half empty. Now, looking at this from a logical point of view, the two groups were correct because even though there was water in the container, it wasn't filled to the brim. The only difference between these two groups was that while one group decided to see the positive side of things, that is, water being in the container, the other group was only interested in seeing the negative side, which is it was still empty to some point. Now, let's relate this to our normal lives. You see, when things happen to you, when you go through trying times and it feels like every other thing is working against you, are you the kind of person that tries to see things positively? Or are you the kind of person that's always stuck with the negative part and tends to blame people around you for your misfortunes? You blame your parents, you blame your siblings, you blame your friends. Some even go as far as blaming their village people for their misfortunes. We all desire good things. It's human of us, it's normal for us to desire good things, like a fully filled, chilled bottle of water, because with it, we can quench our thirst more satisfyingly and still have some more to keep for later. But the funny thing about life is, things will not always happen the way we want it to. And while we complain of not having enough, we should always remember that some people have nothing, so you just lost your job. As bad as that sounds, it's just a job. You didn't lose your life, or you just had a miscarriage, but you still hail and healthy. You can always make more babies. You can always conceive. Or did you fail an exam and have to repeat a whole year? Remember, some people fail just like you did, and they got withdrawn from school. For every bad situation, there's always an atom of good. And until we cultivate that attitude of seeing the positive in every situation, can we truly learn to be appreciative and grateful for what we have. Now, I want you all to reflect on this. Are you a the container is half filled kind of person, or the container is half empty? Peace.